Now, if you think our previous unbottling of the Kingston Milk 100% cow-shaped USB drive was weird, take a look at this. This is totally not really tech related, I guess. It's a care package or a care box from Kingston. They're calling it the memory box, and inside here we have a few cards and also 10 more custom designed masks. So recently, Kingston and CSD announced a collaborative contest kind of thing where you design your own mask, upload it to Kingston's contest page, and then have people vote for which mask design is the best. Now, Kingston has collaborated with CSD, and CSD, even though it's a name that I have never heard before, they are actually established back in 1947, and they are also a leader of health protection supplies in Taiwan, and they are now setting a trend with the phrase health in style, which is why we get all these kind of custom design masks. And well, let's take a look at them. So we have a total of 10 of them. As you can see, all of the designs here, all of them are designed by people from all around the world. I know there are a total of 3 of the contestants are from Malaysia. 2 of them made it to the finalists, which is, well, congratulations to them, and also congratulations to all of the other winners as well. And Kingston's slogan here, their strength in memory. I think it's a pun on what they are doing as a company. As you know, Kingston is one of the top memory vendors in the world. So they have RAMs, they got storage devices, they got everything memory related. And of course, for this one, they're trying to immortalize all of this mask design and say that it's strength in memory to commemorate this and immortalizing it. Anyway, I think it's a really good pun. I had a good chuckle when I realized that this is somewhat related to what the company is actually doing. And also, there are cards in this box as well. So just now I mentioned about the CSD card. That is one of the cards that I included in this box. There is an introductory card about Kingston itself, obviously, and then one for this competition, and then another one for the voting details. You can actually win one of these boxes, which I guess the whole event has already passed, but yeah, we'll move on. And then they also have a total of 10 cards, 1 card for each of the contestants, and also some introduction on their design as well. But unfortunately though, these masks are of course single use only, so I wouldn't suggest you to take it out and use, because once you use it, you have to throw it away because of all the contaminations and whatnot. So what I'll do is to leave all of the masks back in their packaging and perhaps back in the box as well, because as you know, I really want to treasure this memory, and it is not going to be used. It's just going to be a decorative item somewhere, somehow. And that's it. That's all we have to share with you about the Kingston Memory Box. It's a really unique type of contest that Kingston had done with CSD. I really wish to see more of these kind of collaborations in the future, because it really highlights and showcases the creative minds that are around the world. And since we can't go out anyway, so why not just design some special designs for masks, right? This is what they've done. Congratulations to all the winners, and we'll see you guys in the next video.